Hello, I'm AnnieFan5 and today I'm playing Mad City. As you can see, it is 0:35 am. I'm a prisoner and I am stuck in my cell. Just waiting. Will this cell door open? How come his gets opened, huh? Look, his is opened. Why can't mine? Look, I am bound down to your door. Please let me out. Almighty door, let me out like this man. Yeah, I think this door is glitched, so I think I'm gonna have to reset. Oof, indeed. Oh? Am I in the same cell? I think I'm in the same cell. Oh, yes, ha! Run. And great, I've gone the wrong way. Who's locked up now? Oh, never mind. I think I just freed him. Okay, no, it's my box. My box. Must find stuff to escape with. No! I need stuff. Stuff is the only way out. And more stuff. Stuff. Yes! Oh, amazing. I just need to find a vent now and I'm ready to go. I remember there being a vent up there. Not sure if I'm right or not though. I don't care if I'm gonna get in trouble or not. I only care that I have a screwdriver. Oh, open vent. I don't care I'm gonna get in trouble for holding this. Go. Gas mode. Gas, gas, gas. I'm gonna run. Oh, wait. Is there a way into the police bit? Because I will take your helicopter. So, I'm not holding contraband. Oh. Well, that's the way out. No, I'm going to have to... Yes, I know I'm getting in trouble for holding contraband. Come on, I need out. Out. Yes! Haha! Run. I remember there being a way out near here. Is it here? Oh, yes! Ha! Wait. Is that a person? No, it's a motorbike. Actually... Yes? Ah! Forget about it. I don't want the dirt bike. Didn't want it anyway. Yeah. What is that? What? Is that the Fortnite storm? What? That is loud. Oh. Haha, I escaped. Ah, no. No. Oh. The casino. No. not sure. I'm not sure why I did that. Just need to back up. Oh, the pyramid's open. Yeah, I'm going to the pyramids. You know what? I'm leaving the car. Gonna get a new one anyway. Spawn. Camaro. Oh, that's spray paint though. I don't remember my number plate being that, but okay. Aha! There goes my car. Just running now. In the sand. It doesn't look like there's police anywhere. Is that a hot air balloon? I'm not sure if you can like ride that or not. Okay, I am super bad at this. Oh, it's and oh, just great. That's just amazing. No. Stop the music. No. What's this? Oh. Okay. Didn't want it anyway. I'll take the machete, the grenade. No. No. How about this? Oh. It's a burst assault rifle. Okay, and I'll take the TEC-9. And I'll take these clothes. Actually, never mind, I won't take these clothes. Now, I'll leave. And I need to get to the pyramid before it closes. So, will the music stop? I'm really not enjoying the music. Need to take out car. Get in the car. Go, 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 go. Oh. Oh no. Hello there. Just crush someone. There. Okay, right. Okay, this car is way too loud. It's hurting my little ears. Oh! Was that the guy I ran over before? Oh, I think it's shutting down soon. Need to get there. Need to get to the pyramids. Is that a train? Need to go fast. Oh, never mind. Okay, spawn the boat. The boat. It's time for the boat. Just need to get the boat. Give me my boat. Thank you. Go, 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 go. Need to go. Forget about that. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, I'm almost there. Oh, that skill though. Just shooting this for fun. Oh. Oh. I think there's police. Quick. 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 Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Gonna have to reload that now. Run, 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 run. Okay. Have to avoid the spike trap this time. Spikes of death. I'm definitely not gonna make that. What is this sorcery? You know what? I give up. I'm going to the boat. The boat. To get all my weapons. No, that one. Then that one. That one. And that one. Oh, it's the man. I've seen you before. Not sure where though. Wait, no, the boat. The boat's gone. Oh, never mind. No, it's not. I'm gonna get the boat. Run, 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 run. Oh, that's a cool car. Well, that just glitched. Again, my car. No. In the car. Wrong side. I need to get to the boat. Go, 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 go. I will take this guy's helicopter. Oh no. Superhero. It's the fast superhero. Run, 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 run. Wait, what? No, no, no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No. Um, um, bye then. Just swam away. Swam away. And throw a grenade at this guy. Actually, I can use my boat. Just need to enter the plane. Where can I rob? I can rob the train. But what else? Okay. Gonna try and rob the train. Not sure if it's gonna work, but I'm gonna try. Because it's moving and... Oh, it's right there. It's right there. It's literally right there. Go. Where is it? I think I've lost it. Yeah. Oh, wait. Yes! Run, 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 run. No! No! No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No! I have to chase it now. No! Hurry up! Come on! Need to get that train. Need to go fast. I destroyed that car. Fast. Oh, Yes. Need to go quick. Need to rob this train. Oh, no. I need on the train. No! No. Right, that's it. I've had enough of this train. I'm going to rob the bank. Where's my car? Didn't even want to rob the train anyway. Okay, I need to... Oh! Don't say there's police and superheroes in here. If so, getting shotgun to the face. Oh! It's a little bit laggy. There goes the train. Again. Oh, no. Oh, wait, it's just super villain. Oh, no! No! Wait. Yes, huh? I thought I was going to be put back in prison there. And I can rob the casino instead. Oh, I took the thing. Need the machine gun. Well, is it a machine gun? Oh yeah, that's a machine gun. Okay, I need to rob the casino, which is actually, yeah, it's open. Thought it was closed there. Okay. Casino. There. I'm pretty sure you have to do parkour to get in here. Hmm. Can I throw a grenade at it? Oh, never mind. The boat's arrived anyway. So I'll take the boat. Did I just throw another grenade? Wait, need to get to the boat. Okay. This is where the parkour skills kick in. If I have any. How do I get through this? Oh, right, I crouch. Now I don't crouch and I hop. Forget about that. Okay, stand now. Is that a jump? Yup. No! Ugh. All I want is the money from your boat. So I can buy myself a dirt bike. All I ever wanted in life was a dirt bike. Okay. No! I keep on pressing shift instead of jump. Don't tell me a police or a superhero is here. Uh. Oh, skills. 1, 2, 3. Yes! Ha! You shall not defeat me, Bolt. Ha ha! Open. Open. Oh, that's it. Yeah. Ha! Wait. This is gonna take forever. 6 gold. Is that all you're gonna give me? No. No. More, please. Hurry up. More. Give me more gold. Oh, no. But. Oh, wait. It's just a guy. Criminal. 20 gold. Is that it? Unbelievable. I should have just went with the casino. I am never robbing that boat again. I'm pretty sure that was more than 20. Either that or I'm terrible at math. Maths. It's a math. Math. Ah! Okay, gonna try the train. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna be sad. No! I want to get up there. Okay, never mind about that. What's in here? Okay, I need to spawn my Camaro. Can be real. Don't know. Uh, uh, Hurry up. Move. I need to spawn it here. Spawn. Camaro. Camaro. Okay. Need to go with my Camaro. Okay. Oh, I found. Will I finally get to rob the train? That's the question. Or will it leave as soon as it sees me? Run. 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 Need to move my mouse. Yes! Well, that was glitchy. Now, where's the money? Oh, wait. I remember that it only being... There's only money once it starts moving. Unless I have to do this. No! Just have to wait. No, want on this. Come on, hurry up and move, train. Hurry up. I will slice you. Hurry up, driver. Hurry up. Said. Hurry up. Oh. I can see Mad City through this. Can I throw through this? Wait, where'd that go? Wait. Why is that glitching so much? No! Can I actually, like, throw? Oh! I'm actually throwing grenades out the side of a window, which is closed. Can I, like... let me... I need... What's that noise? It's music somewhere. You know what? I'm just gonna sit here, stand here even, and dance. Or I could laugh. A very weird looking laugh, but still a laugh. Oh! Oh! The train started. I remember there being money through here. Yeah, it is. Nice. Oh! Hack. What's this do? Oh, it gives me money. This game is so loud. Just hacking laptops. Don't mind me. Run. Oh, more money. If a superhero or someone comes and ruins this all for me, I'm gonna be happy. Just, I'm a magician. Right. I'm sure there's more money through it. No! No! Anyway, I don't think there was any more left. Just have to get back now. Spawn that Camaro. And now, I leave. And go! I love that rocket boost. Yes, ha! Ha. Just need to run. Run. Then spawn my Camaro, whatever it's called. Go! Yeah! Yeah! I sent that guy flying. Yeah, I'm terrible at driving. I am horrible at it. Just need to get to my... You know what? I give up on the Camaro. I'm going to leave it there upside down and just run. If I'm lucky, soon I might be able to get my dirt bike that I've always dreamed of. Run. Run. No! I'll pop your tires out. Run. I thought... I keep on running into this guy. I'm sure I saw him in prison. Oh, and now he's left. I can't get the dirt bike. Well, you know what? I think I'm gonna end the video here. Because, well, I finally did the train and the boat. So, I'm just gonna end it here with this dog. And if I do a next video on this, I might be able to get my dirt bike. So, bye!